Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, my name is Nauteya Whyee. I go by Beauty Rebellion, and if you're not new, welcome back, Rebels. Today's video is going to be yet another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be installing and styling this 360 wig from KissLove Hair Company. Shout out to KissLove because the lace on this wig is everything. This is a 360 lace frontal wig, and it came with the clear invisible straps on the sides so that you can just pull it. You don't even have to glue down the back of your wig, so that is a plus. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it, how I styled it, and also giving you the details on these new clear invisible straps. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, just keep on watching. The wig I'll be installing in today's video is from KissLove Hair. They sent me over their 24-inch body wave wig, and the density of this wig is 250% density. This is their upgraded pre-everything 360 lace wig, meaning it came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and perfect for my beginner girlies. It has these little invisible clear strings on each side, and I personally love these. All you have to do is pull the strings super tight and you'll be able to do a seamless updo without gluing down the back of your wig. The tighter you pull the strings, the tighter the wig will fit on your head. Now that we've gotten through the details of this hair, let's go ahead and try this wig on. First impression, guys, I absolutely love the curls that came in the wig. Now, if I was not wearing this wig up, this would be perfect. All I would have to do is like brush the curls out and style it a little bit, and I could just go. But we are going to do an updo, so I'm going ahead and I'm just spraying my adhesive spray on the front of the lace just to make sure that it melts in. And once that is done, I'm going ahead and putting on my edge band that they sent me, and I'm just going to tie down my edges with that to make sure that that lace actually really melts in. So as you can see, guys, the curls look bomb, okay? I actually really love the curls that came in this wig. They advertise it as body wave, but it is pre-styled, so meaning if you're a beginner and you do not know how to curl your own hair, these are the wigs that are perfect for you. Y'all, I cannot get over how soft and bouncy these curls and this hair is. Y'all, KissLove really did a good job with this wig. As you can see, I'm going ahead and just parting that middle part just to get started, and taking my hot comb and making sure the top of that wig is nice and flat. Now that the wig is on, it's not going nowhere, I'm parting out two sections in the front where I want my little bangs to be, and then I'm just gonna start pushing the hair up into like a little bun. As you can see, the back of the wig is a little bit big for my head, but y'all, that don't even matter because we do have these clear invisible straps, and they are going to do the job. So firstly, I'm taking that comb on the back of the hair and I'm pushing that under my braids, and now you see me just pulling those clear invisible straps as tight as I can. And then there's a little button on them where you can pull it a little tighter and just kind of seal it. So I went ahead and did that. I'm turning around so you guys can see how tight it is in the back compared to what it was before. So now I'm just taking some hair from the back just to camouflage that lace. I'm pulling out some hairs. This will give the illusion of a natural hairline, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them a little bit, kind of to give the illusion of baby hairs, but not so much. I'm cutting the front of that hair too because I didn't want it to be too long, just layering it a little bit. And now I'm going in with my curling iron and just curling those curls in the front a little bit tighter. that the back of their hair is laid and we got our bangs together, I'm just going ahead and taking their hair that we put in a bun and making the ponytail a little bit tighter, a little bit smoother. And y'all, if I wanted to wear this in a ponytail, it would actually be really cute like this. But I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a ponytail, and then I'm going to create a bun with that. Unfortunately, after this part, my camera did die and I was not able to show you guys in this video how I created the messy bun, but it's kind of easy. You kind of just twist the hair and pin it up. But this is basically how it turned out. Super easy and super cute. All right guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. This might have been the easiest Updo 360 wig install that I've ever done. The clear straps on the sides are literally a game changer. Like, you don't have to worry about the hassle of gluing down the back of your wig because you know that it's tight enough so that you won't be able to see anything. I also went ahead, like you guys seen in the video, and cut some little straggly hairs in the back just to give that illusion of a natural hairline, but also to camouflage the lace in the back. So if you are going to try this style, I do suggest that. All the details to this wig as well as KissLove's wig website will be down below in my description box. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback down below in my comment section. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle. Let me know if you're gonna try this wig. If you've already tried this wig, let me know down below in the comments. Let's chat. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.